Hi, this is Jose from OnlyWoodFloors with Marissa.
Yes.
And here, go ahead.
I have to say thank you because the service you provided was like above and beyond. No way in my mind did I think that. I mean, look at these floors. It's insane. And the fact that you sent me progress and photos throughout the whole day, I would have never anticipated this. I can't recommend your service enough. I can't wait to write reviews. I can't wait to tell all my friends about you guys. I wish that you did more than just hardwood floors. I feel like you could do my entire house. You guys were punctual on time. I just feel like I haven't used a service as exceptional as your service ever. You really went beyond my expectations, and I thank you very much.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.